Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure to have you all in the celebration of this beautiful couple, Chandni and Neel. I'd like to thank you all for coming here today.
I'm so glad to be here today to celebrate this wonderful ceremony. Want to wish you guys a lot of happiness and success in your lives.
I've known Neel since he was little, and my first impression of Neel, he had a lot of hair, he was very skinny, and he didn't speak English. A lot has changed, obviously, since then. There's a couple things that haven't changed. He's still one of the most reliable and dependable person I know.
Johnny, you have gone from being that annoying younger sister to an amazing, strong, independent, caring, loving woman. You have persevered through so much in your personal and professional life, and I couldn't be any prouder of you.
Let me start by saying that I think you'll all agree our gorgeous bride and groom looks like $1 million today.
Oh my God. Look amazing.
मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली जैसे जैसे वो आँख में चोली मेरे तेवर में तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली जैसे जैसे वो ईद में होली मेरी जीवन की दशा थोड़ा रस्तों का नशा थोड़ी मंजिल की प्यास है बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है कसम से बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है
Love has connected my sister and Neel. It has brought us all here tonight to celebrate the eternal bond that these two share. And their marriage is what has brought the two families together. But today, we're one.
Chandni, first, I would like to welcome you to our family. She is very honest, caring, organized, and talented person that I ever met. After Chandni came to my brother's life, she bring some good change in his life.
Neel, you're that missing piece of the puzzle that completes Johnny. You're the calm to her crazy, and I'm so happy that you both found each other.
Neel, I know that I'm not the first one to tell you how lucky you are to find someone who's so genuine and caring and loving to be your lifelong partner. And Chandni, I'm so happy that you found someone who's very caring and trustworthy, who will support you through both the highs and lows in life.
Great honor, pleasure, and privilege to pronounce Chandni and Neel, married couple.
But in all seriousness, Chandni, I'm so happy that you picked Neel to be your husband. I wish you guys nothing but the best as you start your future together, and welcome to the family.
A few things that stand out about Neel, and then everyone will agree. And I think a couple of characteristics that people already said is he's very dependable, caring, and amazing person. And I'm confident that no one here would say otherwise.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to Chandni and Neel's wedding reception. Let me hear you guys make some noise. Come on! So without further ado, please help me welcome up the newlyweds for the first time as husband and wife. Please help me welcome Mr. and Mrs. Neel and Chandni Patel!
And every time he mentioned, her name, I can see the happiness on his face. At that time, I kind of knew that, she's the one. It's just a matter of time.
Chandni and Neel, I'm very honored to be here standing by your side on the best day of your life. Chandni, you look absolutely stunning tonight. And Neel, you don't look so bad at yourself.
So I'd like to ask you all to raise a toast to celebrate the union of the beautiful bride and the handsome groom. May the drinks of life keep on flowing. They say you don't marry the person you can live with. You marry the person you cannot live without. And that's my sister and Neel.
Black, yellow, red, गोरे मुखड़े ते जचदा देख देख मुंडियां दा दिल रहिंदा नचदा Black, yellow, red, गोरे मुखड़े ते जचदा देख देख मुंडियां दा दिल रहिंदा नचदा लगे ना नजर मेरी लगे ना नजर मेरी लगे ना नजर दिल डरदा तेनू सूट सूट करदा ओ नी तू लगदी पंजाबण लगदी पटोला लगे नी तू सारियां तो वख नी तेनू सूट सूट करदा ओ तेनू सूट सूट करदा
Chandni and Neel, we raise our glasses to the both of you and wish you nothing but the best in your life together. May each day be full of love and laughter between the both of you. Congratulations, and we love you guys.